If I was a PhD student right now, or if I had to give advice to PhD students who might find themselves in the same position, I would say be proactive to find opportunities out there on top of your PhD project. It will be an added effort because on top of your working hours as a PhD student, which normally are already a lot, you will have to find time to perhaps get involved into another clinical trials project that perhaps is run by a lab that's right next to yours, and also trying to look for training opportunities in terms of training courses, because many universities actually offer free training courses about how to write a clinical trial protocol, or how it is to be a clinical trial manager, what it means pharmacovigilance in the clinical research. So go out there, be proactive, and find training courses and opportunities that might not be as visible. But yes, that's what I would have done basically if I didn't have that opportunity.
And you also mentioned just earlier on in your previous answer that, for example, a master's in clinical trials that UCL, for example, hosts. That seems also something, I mean, maybe for a PhD student, getting experience, as you said, little short courses and things like that is probably more useful. But perhaps the master's is something that's quite useful for someone who's listening, for example, that's doing their undergraduate degree for example, or has done a postdoc and they want to do a master's part-time and they want to get that experience. Could you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, absolutely. So the students that we actually have in our master in clinical trials have a very different backgrounds amongst them. So we have students coming directly from their undergraduate, or we have actually doctors who have done their medical training and they want to be up to date with clinical trials methodology. And so they come to our master, or we have people working in trials already, such as nurses or trial practitioner who want a specific degree and they want to be trained appropriately 360 degrees. So definitely that is a great opportunity. But for people who already have a lot of experience in the lab, such as PhD students, definitely short training courses, I would say they are more than sufficient, together with perhaps a practical experience, to hypothetically move one day to the clinical trials field.